fall is not even here yet. And I'm already craving some of these yummy dishes like chilies and soups and stews. Are any of y'all like that? Because this Tennessee weather is looking like fall. I have even started decorating for fall. It's early, but I'm ready, and I hope it lasts a long time because fall is a gorgeous, beautiful time of year, especially here in Tennessee. I'm gonna go ahead and get started on this. I'm gonna make a stew tonight. This is so easy. This is potato, sausage, and spinach stew. And this is so yummy with cornbread, fried cornbread. So I might have to fry up some cornbread. But if you wanna follow me over to the stovetop, we're gonna get started.
You'll need a big pot for this, and go ahead and scramble up 1 pound of ground sausage. I'm using ground turkey sausage. I do add a little sage to that. The original recipe called for Italian sausage. We don't like it, but you can do that too. Just make sure you drain all the fat off of that. Now we're going to need some minced garlic. Add 2 teaspoons and 1/2 of a yellow onion diced. Go ahead and mix that around. Your stovetop eye should be on about low to medium. We're going to let this cook for 2 minutes. Add 1/2 cup of whipping cream. 2 cups of chicken broth. I'm using the reduced sodium. Go ahead and add some salt to this. I didn't add any pepper because we're using breakfast sausage, which is already spicy enough. Add 2 cups of potatoes, and you can cut those any way you'd like. I just sliced them into about 1/4 to 1/2 inch thick slices. Also, you can cut those potato skins off if you'd like, but we like them. Because I actually had a little more than 2 cups of potatoes, I added 1 more cup of chicken broth. The original recipe called for 2 cups of chicken broth, but it just didn't seem like it'd be enough. Let this cook for about 20 minutes on low to medium. It's about a 4 on my stovetop. And once those potatoes are done, you can stick a fork in them to make sure they're done. Go ahead and mix up some cold water. I can't really tell you how much, but just a little bit, with 3 teaspoons of flour, and make sure all the lumps are out of it, and slowly add it to this and let this boil for probably about another 5 minutes or so that your soup actually thickens. And you're going to add about 2 cups of spinach to this, and just put that lid back on and let this cook for another 5 minutes. If even that long. You just want that spinach to start wilting. And then go ahead and stir this around carefully. Try not to, make mashed potatoes here. We want to keep our potatoes as firm as we can. So just move that around and make sure you get that spinach nice and coated. And voila, we're done.
Oh my goodness, this is so good, y'all. With some fried cornbread.